Hi, I'm Ashley Foster. I'm from Walpole, Massachusetts, and I'm studying chemistry here at UMass Amherst. So right now I'm doing research with Dr. Paradise, and she also teaches the Quantitative Analysis class. So basically in that class, you're basically just making like samples, different solutions of different concentrations, but we learn about things like calibration curves and using a lot of the instruments in the lab, whether that be like the HPLC, the LCMS, the GC, and basically just kind of learning how to read the peaks and curves on any of those instruments. Also just learning about like different solution preps, acids, bases, almost the basics, but doing like real life applications of them in a lab. I've been playing intramural soccer since I transferred here. My freshman year was committed playing soccer at the University of New Haven, but I really missed the taste for playing soccer. So I decided, since I'm doing chemistry, I wanted something pretty low stakes, but something I could show up to, get in a good workout, meet some new people, and I think that's really what I found in intramural soccer. This year I just got a few of the other chemistry majors to join with me, which was really exciting. Some of them had never really played before, but I think that's like the biggest joy of playing intramural soccer is you don't really have to know. You just kind of show up and play your best, and if you fail completely, it doesn't really matter all that much. I heard about UMass that it was a research school, or just like a sciences school in general. Just all around like a really good research school. I have a friend who's also in microbiome. He kind of was telling me like, oh, you should really take a look at UMass. Like, it's in-state, so you get the in-state tuition, but also the perks that come with it would be that it's really big into the sciences. The research group that I'm on here, basically we're looking at sustainable film development. So we're taking coffee grounds actually right from the cafeterias here, and we go through an acid hydrolysis process basically to extract a chemical from it that can be used for developing film. My professor, who's the absolute best, she was looking up online just different ways of processing film, and she came across one basically using instant coffee. So then that made her wonder if you could use actual coffee grounds for developing film, if you could use instant coffee. And basically what we ended up finding was that you could. So my research lab, we basically look at different ways of extracting the chemicals that we need from the coffee grounds to be able to develop film, ultimately. And yeah, just since they're grounds coming from the school, we're already producing them, so there's that sustainability aspect. It's a really cool lab. It's very small, there's only 4 of us in it, but I also think that's the best part because since we have no graduate students in it, it's just us 4 students doing all of the problem solving, which is really cool and something I'd never thought I'd see myself doing before. I was thinking of doing data science, and my parents really wanted me to get into AI, just because of the future that holds. But I feel like data science could be really good for my degree, just basically in terms of taking like large things of data and basically analyzing all of those. And then also for AI, I don't know, we'll see what the future holds in that. I think there was some really big possibilities there.